In the currency quadrant, taking a look at the September euro, which after dropping 7 of the last 11 sessions, the euro had a big reversal higher today. Over those 11 sessions, the euro dropped 1.48%, and today alone, it rose about 1.18% coming in toward the New York close. Today was a straight up day with the low coming in at 108.03 half. That was only down 3 basis points, so we can almost call that unchanged. But the high today, 109.48 half, was up 1.31%. And as I already mentioned, we finished about 1.18% higher around the New York close. For the week, we're looking at a situation where the euro had been down 0.7%, and then did an up finishing almost 0.5%. It was enough today to reverse the 2-week losing streak that the euro had been in. U.S. non-farm payrolls, the main driver today. The weak non-farm payrolls data drove the dollar lower. The dollar also had its worst day since November of last year, and that had a lot to do with the new pricing of the Fed rate cuts, which has gotten much more aggressive. Don't really want to estimate where they are at this point, but we're seeing a massive move in yield differentials as the U.S. yield falling tightens the differential between the EU and the US. We saw a 24 basis point drop in the 2-year today. We saw a 17 basis point drop in the 5-year, a 16 basis point drop in the 10-year, and a 12 basis point drop in the 30-year in the US. It was even more dramatic on a weekly basis. But at the same time, we saw yields on the 10-year Bund in Germany rise by 13 basis points for a 29 basis point swing in that yield differential. So yield differentials drive a lot of currency movement. You saw it happen today in the euro.